down. As you can see, this is our earth mat right there. This my earth rod. You can see this wire coming up. This is what we're gonna be checking how the earthing is doing. So we're gonna be pouring some waters. Yeah, then this is the one that is gonna go inside the house. You see that? This is how to do your earthing. Now we're gonna put our industrial salt, our charcoal. Just stay tuned. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. You can see it.